Hi, my name is Wanjeri, a senior interior designer here at Lehem, and today I'll be showing you some of the fabric options that we offer to our clients depending on their project needs. So in front of me here today is a variety of the different fabrics that we offer in different materials. Starting from this side, we've got some cottons. These are 100% cotton, and you can see it's in pretty much every neutral color that you can think of. And what's really exciting is if you flip this over, it also comes in every color in the rainbow, which is very beautiful. Moving on, we've got our beautiful textured linen fabrics, which are very popular. We tend to use these a lot for our projects, especially since it's a lighter fabric. It drapes very beautifully for curtains. Then over here we've got the heavy duty fabrics, which are tougher. As you can see, they're very tough and they can work on larger formats, let's say on a bigger piece of furniture, a sofa. These are very beautiful because they aren't too flat and they have a lot of texture in them. Another favorite for many people is the velvets, which you can see are in all the colors you can think of. Very, very beautiful. These can work on furniture pieces, they can work on accessories like rugs and throws. Very, very beautiful. Something else that people maybe don't think about is high performance fabrics that can also work outdoors. You can see they have a special coating at the back. And these are, apart from having your very flat outdoor fabric, something woven in an outdoor space is also very beautiful. And then we've got our suede materials as well, just to change up on the different textures. This is something that's a lot softer, has a leather look feel to it, but is also beautiful in its own way. And then last but not least are our textured fabrics. This is something similar to boucle. Very beautiful, very soft, but still high performance as well, which add depth and character to any space.